Hey, forget about being a doctor or a lawyer. 75% of kids today want to be a YouTuber. That's like 1 out of every 3 kids. YouTube is taking over these days. I mean, it's no secret that YouTube is really putting a lot of money into a lot of people's pockets. But you really don't have to be a kid or a person with a huge following to win big on YouTube. You just gotta know and use the right methods. Let me ask you a question. I mean, would you like to really profit from the videos that you put on YouTube? You see, YouTube is a way to go because it's like the 3rd most visited website on the planet and the 2nd most visited search engine. And building your business on YouTube is the best thing that you can do for your business and brand going through 2018 and beyond. Marketers have found YouTube to be the best platform for free, targeted, high converting traffic for leads and sales. But the thing is, man, competition is at an all-time high. Even if you make videos every day and use the right keyword research tools, it's still going to be hard if you're not getting noticed or engaging your viewers. Which leads me to this new software I just came across called KickAss Tuber. It's like the world's first all-in-one graphics video branding platform. I mean, do I have to really say that? I mean, that's a lot. It's a kick-ass software. Here's 4 things to keep in mind to win big on YouTube. Number 1 is to get more views to your videos. It really doesn't matter how awesome your video is if your thumbnail doesn't entice people to click in the first place. Attractive and attention-grabbing thumbnails are crucial to get people to click and watch your videos instead of someone else's video. Number 2 is to build your audience and your subscriber base. According to YouTube's analytics, most people decide to subscribe to a channel after they visit the channel page. The channel art on the page is the best weapon to turn your viewers into loyal fans. Number 3 is to hold your viewers' attention and boost watch time. Cool graphics and animations help keep your videos interesting, which can lead to more watch time and better chances to get more exposure. Number 4 is call to action graphics. In-screen graphics make the perfect call to action to remind your viewers to subscribe to your channel and direct them to watch more of your videos. You see, KickAss Tuber gives you everything that you need to build your YouTube channel. You'll get access to a complete library of YouTube done-for-you templates, thumbnails, and motion graphics to make your brand pop and attract targeted traffic to your offers. Many of the effects in this video were used using KickAss Tuber. So pick up your copy today, go ahead and click on the link wherever it's at on the page, and hey, get started and start making your YouTube channel look like a pro.